Grandpa Dave and Grandma Cressa. What is it, Lucas?
That looks awesome.
Oh yeah.
Let me smell your smell.
You're never allowed to rip paper like this, are you?
Wow, you're doing really good. A lot better than last year.
Ooh, that smells.
I know, it's good.
Sarah will be smelling it. Wow, that's special.
Come on, can you open it up?
Almost got it. There you go.
Good job. Can you open the box?
Yep. Let's get this tape off. Hold on there, Luke.
I'll
Okay.
just rip the box too. More tissue paper, Lucas.
Ooh.
All right.
Look at that. Wow.
Tissue paper.
Luke, what's this? What's that?
What's in there, baby?
Oh, there's some prizes in there too.
What is it? Is it a Christmas ornament?
Wow.
Oh. The baby Jesus? The lamb? Can you say thank you? Say thank you.
What was that?
Nothing.
Don't eat the sticker, Lucas. Look at me. Hi.
Are you eating the sticker? No.
Please know that a 4-month bonus page is included